So Devin, spring is officially here, but it's still a little bit chilly outside. What's going on?
Well, yeah, it's getting a little colder out there tonight. The clouds are getting on out here. In fact, let's let the airport tell the story tonight. We take a look outside the airport. Temperatures are crashing pretty fast tonight at around 27 degrees under crystal clear skies. A little bit of a wind out there tonight, which is slowing temperatures down from falling very sharply. We have no clouds right now, at least in some parts of the neck of the woods. I'm expecting this wind to really calm down to around 0 tonight. And you know what that means? As I call it, radiational cooling. That's a meteorology term, which in other words, it's going to get pretty cold, which would cause temperatures to go into a free fall. Let's go back to those high temperatures. Actually, we were in the upper 30s to low 40s across the region today, even some mid 50s farther to the south we go. And now we advance to those current temperatures where things are kind of not too bad. Basically in the upper 20s to low 30s here, a little warmer farther to the south, but areas to the north are going to get a little on the chilly side later on tonight. The good news is temperatures will be warming on up. We have 42 degrees tomorrow, 48 degrees on Tuesday, 54 Wednesday, and then we start to drop on off a little bit as we head towards the latter part of the week into the weekend, but this is that common roller coaster pattern that we see for this time of the year. Our radar satellite composite, not too much to talk about here. Really, the biggest story is the system that's off to our south right now, which is prompting severe thunderstorm watches and even a few severe thunderstorm warnings. Meanwhile, for us, we have none of that to worry about. It's actually nice and quiet. Some of the clouds is just south of Oneida County, and it's beginning to move in a southerly direction. It's kind of taking its time getting on out here, but we'll begin to see some stars and a little bit of that moon out there later on tonight. So I'm going to step off the map. Just a few little flood warnings still in effect. For Clark County, they're under a flood warning because of an ice jam. Shawano County, there's many rivers still above flood stage, so that's why there's still some flood warnings up until further notice. Otherwise, it's really kind of a quiet night here. We do have basically the clouds will be getting on out of here later on tonight, and then we'll have crystal clear skies for the rest of the evening into the morning hours. So sunny skies to start out the day on Monday to start that brand new work week. And the winds will be nice and calm too. So it's going to be a beautiful day as we start out the brand new work week. And really as we head through the rest of Monday afternoon to Monday night, really not much to talk about at all. We really loop futurecasts all the way through and until Tuesday, where Tuesday morning we start the day sunny, and then Tuesday afternoon to the evening we start to sail into some clouds. Our next weather system begins to move on in. So highs tomorrow not too bad. Up lower, some 30s farther to the north to go, and then farther south to go into some 40s, and a little bit in the ways into mid 40s possibly for Adams County as well. So around that 40-degree mark will be the theme. 8 degrees is what we're forecasting tonight with gradual clearing, and it'll be cold. The question is right now is how much the clouds will go out of here, and when will that wind calm down? If the winds and the clouds hang around, we may not hit 8, but if it calms down soon, we may be hitting 8 degrees. 42 degrees, sunny skies and awesome tomorrow. Winds will be out of the northwest at 5 miles an hour. And your Northwoods Furniture 7-day forecast. Again, temperatures warming up as you head through the rest of the week. Some slight chances of precipitation Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Thursday, that high will be hit at around midnight at 51 degrees. We'll drop throughout the day to 25 degrees for our low, and cooler for Friday and Saturday and Sunday. But as we look ahead towards the Sunday, highs again look to rebound close to 50 degrees. Stephen?